Alright, there it is up on the right.
Is it the green?
The green roof. It's in working order today. Well, there's no one here. That's really nice. Alright, make sure to give me some room so I can pay for this thing. Alright. Up. Alright. No, don't close. That one's closed. I'm gonna get out my money. Let me try to get out my money. Okay, I got out some.
Close to the car wash, make a wash selection, and enter your method of payment.
Wait. I'm gonna get out the rest of the money. Alright, that's $1. Got a few more.
Close to the car wash, make a wash selection, and enter your method of payment.
Okay, I have 8 $1 bills. Oh, come on. Go in there. Alright, that's another one. $4. I have 5 left. $4 more to go. I have to flip the node. Alright, 2 left. Yep, I got 1 left. Oh, come on. Wait. Hang on. Let me flip the node and try again. Nope. That side's 2 up. Hang on. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna have to get some change. Let's see. Let me see if I can get some change out of this. Okay. Hopefully it'll take it better now.
Welcome.
There we go.
Car wash, make a wash
$10.
selection, and enter your method of payment.
There we go.
If you would like a receipt, press refund now. Your receipt is printed.
No receipt. Doesn't look like you're lined up with the bay correctly.
I'm giving you room.
Oh, my door's not closed. There we go.
You ready?
Oh, slowly there's undercarriage as soon as you go in. Up, slow, please. Alright. This thing has a treadle buzzer, so it might scare you. Stop. There we go. This is still a Belanger Saber, but I think they did some modifications to it. Yeah, unfortunately this car has no sunroof, so we can't watch over the top. I'll have to move the camera around. I'll film out of this side. Up. This one gives you a second pass of pre-soak. It's going back to the front and doing an empty pass. I think these systems do that because they just let the pre-soak get into action. Give it time at least. This one has triple foam on it. Let's see if they actually did some modifications to it. I think they did. And, yep, they did some modifications to it. The left side is going to be doing high pressure rinse, that side's not. This is a one-sided thing, Brittany.
Oh.
It will do the other side eventually. Yeah, it's still a Belanger Saber, but they just made some modifications to it. There we go, it's switching sides. Okay. Here comes the second pass of pre-soak. There we go. Second pass of pre-soak. We have another one of these in van, and that's the same system. Yeah, the one in van is the same system. Let's head it back to the front now. Yeah, those epilepsy lights can get annoying after a while. Looks like we're gonna do it again. High pressure wash. Here we go. Yeah, I had to get some quarters because it wasn't accepting that $1 bill for some reason. And it was out of receipt paper, I guess. Triple foam is next. Up. Or single foam time. Actually, there it comes. There it comes.
Two different colors.
Yeah.
Yellow and purple.
I see some yellow in there.
Oh, yep, I see them.
Oh, we're doing medium pressure rinse. We're doing what's called medium pressure rinse. I'll film out of this side this time. And what are we doing next? Alright. Surface protectant. And spot-free wrench. This one skips clear coat for some reason. I guess because of the modifications they did to it, they skips clear coat now. Here comes the spot-free wrench.
They might do the clear coat after.
No, this one actually skips clear coat for once. I don't know why it does.
I don't know either.
Probably because of the modifications they did to it. Yep, it skips clear coat. Here come the dryers.
Hopefully.
The dryers are not going to do the best of jobs, though. This is what's called a duo dry system. You're gonna have to drive through this slowly because it might be duo dry. Drive forward. Time remaining 30 seconds. Slowly, please. And they're not really doing anything this time. Well, at least it's spot-free water, so there shouldn't be any spots when it dries. Keep going. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. That's it. And the dryers are still running back there. There they go. Anyway, that's it for the car wash.